IBM Bluemix UI. Bluemix delivers a composable services development environment. The developer can choose any language runtime or bring their own, upload the code and go. You need to create an IBM ID in order to sign up for Bluemix. Let me log in using my IBM ID and password. This might take a while depending on your network speed. Bluemix is built on IBM Soft Layer, which is IBM's leading infrastructure as a service. This here is the Bluemix dashboard. You can see the total memory allocated and the total memory used by all of your applications. I have created 2 apps and together they're consuming 640 MB out of the allocated 1 GB. Here you can see the health of all the apps. The health of both of my apps are green, which means that they're running just fine. Here you can see the total number of services that I have created. They may or may not be binded to an app. You can see the apps and services list here. You can click on an app for more details about the app. The app details show the number of instances of the app that are running. Here it is 1. You can increase or decrease this. It shows the allocated memory quota and the available memory. The app health, you can restart the app or stop the app. The activity log, the cost of the app, and the services that are bound to this particular app. You can add a new service and bind it to this app, bind an existing service to this app, or even connect an add-on. In the services, you can see all the services that I have created. A service is a piece of code hosted by IBM Bluemix. A service offers a particular functionality for applications to use. Bluemix provides a set of predefined services that you can use directly from the catalog. Services allow you to add functionality to your application with minimal cost and effort. Just select a service and a plan, then bind it to your application. For example, the mobile application security. You can select the plan and the app that you want to bind it to, or just leave it unbound and click on create. In the dashboard, let us explore the add-ons. Add-ons are the additional services that can be added onto your application. For example, you can use the App User Registry service to enable authorization and authentication using OAuth 2 for your app. In the catalog, you can see when you select on all categories, you can see the boilerplates and runtimes. Boilerplates provide a way to create an application with a runtime plus a number of additional services that are bound to that particular app. This is a starter application, like a template, that you can use directly with the existing build pack from Bluemix. And runtimes in the Bluemix represent different build packs that are provided. Each runtime is an application with a starter application code deployed. You can also see the services and the add-ons under the catalog. Here you can find the pricing information. Generally, you are charged for the time that your apps run and the memory that is used, calculated as GB hours for runtimes. And for services, some have plans and some are charged based on your consumption. Here you can find the docs. This gives an extensive documentation on Bluemix. Documentation on creating and managing apps, how services work, the Cloud Foundry command line interface, pricing and billing, and troubleshooting. Every detail about Bluemix can be found here. This is the community link. Here you can ask the developers questions. You can even follow blogs, discuss your code, or even provide answer for a question posted by other developers. It works just like Stack Overflow. You can ask a question, add tags to your questions, follow the top users, and so on. Here you can find the list of blogs on Bluemix. Under resources, you can find articles and sample projects. In support, you can contact IBM support. You can keep tab on the upcoming events, and so on. This is all about IBM Bluemix UI. Thank you.